Hello everyone! I'm cooking a cider prawns for my employer. This is one of her favorites. Just stir fry with minced garlic, butter, and this one, chili. That's all. Ayan, luto na siya. Then, i-arrange ko siya sa plate. Actually, very simple ang pagluluto ng Chinese food. Tada! Last, garnish with parsley flakes. That's all. Achoo! For the second meal, ito, I'm gonna cook a water spinach. Ayan, garlic na yan. Minced garlic pa rin. Then, ilalagay ko itong binabad ko ng water spinach. Binabad ko ito since morning kasi dito sa Hong Kong, dapat yung vegetables, green, especially green leafy vegetable, inaano yan, as in, sinusok yan sa tubig for many hours. Okay. Then, gumagamit kami nito yung chili fermented bean curd. Ayan. Yan lang. Then, lilipat ko siya dito. Shadan! Zizami! Pangalawang luto. Last menu for tonight. Ayan po. Ganyan po dito sa Hong Kong. Pag dinner, dapat ang ipiprepare mong food at least 2 to 3. Araw-araw mag-iisip ka kung ano ang lulutuin. So, sa mga kapwa ko OFW here in Hong Kong, salute to all. Work, work, work for the family. God bless everyone. Bye!